potential of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start.
So this is the Xiaomi Redmi 5, which somewhat feels like what the OnePlus 5T was to the OnePlus 5. Meaning a larger screen but a similar design. Now if you've seen the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, you will see that this is a very similar approach in terms of design, apart from the display of course. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. Now like more budget phones out there, you are getting a nice clear view cover with it, and of course your power brick and your cable, which however is a micro USB and not a USB-C type. A shame, but it really doesn't bother me. Other than that, there isn't really much in this box. The phone does feel really light by the way. Some specs of the phone are a 5.7 inch screen with an 18:9 ratio, a Snapdragon 450 CPU and a pretty large 3300 mAh battery. And of course a single 12 megapixel camera as well, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal memory. So this was the quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi 5. What do you think about it? Anyway, if you are interested in this device, I will leave a link in the description from our sponsor Banggood.com and you can check it out yourself. Either way, I will review this phone and of course talk to you guys in the next one, and have a good one.